Turbonator VGT just got better, because now it comes standard with our 3-stage mechanical actuator. Our old actuator worked well, but this is a game changer. Years of innovative DPS engineering has developed this unique and efficient 3-stage actuator technology. The reason it works so well is rather than just one spring to cover the entire boost curve, it has 3 stages and 3 springs that engage at different points, making it possible for our VGT to effectively follow and cover the entire natural boost curve of the turbo. Which means with our 3-stage actuator, you can expect ultimate performance on the spool-up, mid-range, and high boost. Running the VGT Turbonator with a 3-stage actuator will noticeably improve boost and power through the entire turbo boost curve. You'll see an improvement in mileage, responsiveness, and EGT control. The fully mechanical 3-stage actuator is also used in the Turbonator hybrid version. This hybrid version allows for exhaust braking. The 3-stage mechanical actuator is like nothing else out there, and it now comes standard with every VGT Turbonator.